Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Raymond Beltran Alion. Today I will execute how to do the high fade haircut. So I will show how is my style to do the high fade haircut. So I will start now. Ikot din. It's okay.
Siguro yun mo naka-play yan.
So I will start now. Oh yeah, it's already play. I will start now with a 3 guard. I start with a 3 guard because his head is not so very in a perfect shape. So as you say, there's a little bit slope. So the next that is 1.5. Para yung ano.
Tuloy-tuloy mo lang kaya, para walang apply.
My cameraman is not so very expert for to take videos. So I'm sorry, but I try my best. Taas mo ko DJ. Yan. So now I did number 3 guard. So the next this one is sometimes I do like this, like 0 here like that, but this one is not in a perfect shape, so I will make it little by little.
Cut ko muna. Cut ko muna.
Diretso lang. Kayaan mo kahit pangkat.
Now I'll use the 1.5.
Baka may mamiss kang ano eh. Yung mga part, hindi mo kuha.
Okay.
Diretso lang.
This is a slope. If you see this one like that, punta ka dito eh. See slope. Doon pa dito. Yes, now I changed my guard from 1.5 to half. So in the part of the slope, this one is slope part in here, so I can adjust even little bit high or little bit low fade. I will not make it direct like that because I need to adjust the shape. This part, yeah, this part is a little bit slow. His hair is very thick. now I will use the zero close. Directly zero close, then I will repeat it that zero open after this one to tidy up.
Nalipot na sila yung camera ng natin.
Hindi, panaduduling ako kakatingin dito sa camera. Parang naduduling ako.
Angat ko ang camera dito.
Ah.
Maliwanag ba?
Oo.
Now I will repeat it by zero open. So this one to remove this dark spot. I make this a little bit customized because the shape of the head is not the same. There is some humps.
Ano to? Storage? Okay ko lang to?
Eh, off mo muna. Ano pala yung cut mo mga yes?
Kaya kinat.
Okay. So now I will use the detail now at the down part. Diyan parang ano ka na kumurot masyado. This here is very thick, but I try to finish this in 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'll use the blade to shave it. Cut mo muna dito. Blade now to make it shave.
Maandar ba yung oras dito?
Maganda yung pagkakakuha na ito.
Ilang oras na?
10.
10 minutes?
Ganda na anong gilid.
Detalyado yung ano po. Kasi Tabi-tabi yung buhok ko eh. Malaki. Buong kanan talaga pa ng kaliwa. Ayaw mo mag-shoot ng kaliwa. Ito buong kanan mo.
Okay, what we are going now is I'll make little bit it trim, just trimming only because my friend he don't want to make very short, he want only little bit long at the top so he can make it another style. I will use this comb over clipper. No, clipper over comb, sorry. But I will use that finishing later by scissor.
Okay lang yung makita short mo.
Wag,
Kita siya eh.
okay lang.
Kita sa salamin eh.
Sinipat ka lang ng ulo.
Doon ka.
Ayan, dito pala. Ayan.
I'm sorry because my cameraman he don't want to show my short, but I'm sorry because today is my tonight it's already finished my duty. We are only using this barbershop to show, to present my video. Because this afternoon we don't have customer that they want their haircut is high fade.
Ito, ang ganda ng kuha dito.
At least I will finish this 15 minutes, 16, 17 like that. Okay, i-cut mo yan muna.
Ayan na, ang ganda ng kuha dito. Sabi ito.
Hindi naman matay. Yan.
Ganda ng kuha sa gilid.
Kasi yaw-yaw, hindi ko na maintindihan din. Now, I will do this trim by scissor, but just little only because you don't want to make it short. Ay, wala. Okay, almost done. But I need to check at the top part if it is straight or not. Now what I'm doing is just only trimming. I just only cut the edge of the hair. Your hair is very thick.
Tapos na.
I will use now a little bit thinning scissor. The bangs.